Sully-Miller United Rock Blue Diamond Materials is a contracting company. It's an aggregate company and an asphalt company with 6 asphalt locations throughout Los Angeles and then a quarry here in Irwindale. We do contracting all over Southern California. One of the biggest things for me right now is to try and find technology as it's becoming more readily available at a good price to Sully-Miller contracting and being able to implement that. When I first saw this, I knew that it was one of these things that we were going to be able to not only use just for our aggregates facilities in itself, because it was much more powerful than that. We see it being so much more to where we're going to be able to use it on the construction side of it. Knowing exactly where we're going to be, where we think we're going to have overruns on dirt projects or anything like that, taking that information and being able to implement it into making our estimations more powerful down to out in the field. Flying the Kespry drone is so simple to use. It takes the controls out of my hands. It knows better what to do. It's a lot easier to use and to train people. No one else can do that. By using this drone, we're way ahead of the game compared to other construction companies right now. We firmly believe that we are a company that's involved in continuous improvement and lean production and lean construction. The better we become on one job, the better we'll become on another job. And that's why we always try to be a leader for technology as well. Not just on a marketing standpoint, but also from being able to use it for people out in the field. Because those are the ones who build the projects, and we need that data.